from the Wok Lobster. Well, I started the Wok Lobster in 2018. We started off doing catering and personal chef events. My mother used to cook on the wok, so this is my way of paying homage to her. She passed away in 2015, and I also worked for Red Lobster for 20 years. So you put that Red Lobster and the Wok Lobster together, and you have us. The food industry was just easy because I like to cook at home. I always cooked at home with my mother, so this was a way for me to have something for me and my brothers to celebrate. It's a family-owned business. It's very important because without family, without family, there's no me. You know, family's everything.
How good has it been? But also let us know some of the struggles that came along with starting this business.
The most struggle we had was being African American, you know, Black American, and you're doing different food. We're doing cooking on the wok. We got different fusion foods. Most people in our culture wasn't open to the change of something different. So in 2018, we're the first Southern Asian fusion concept.
Most people would see it, keep black people on the truck, but they would think that it might be owned by Asian Americans.
Right, absolutely. So for me, it's good marketing as well because not only is it a conversation piece, it's an opportunity for people who may not normally understand the wok cooking and the diversity of using a wok, and they see people that look like them start a business like this. So it's very important for me to be able to teach and inspire generations under me as well.
So, did you ever think about brick and mortar? Do you have one?
No, sir. We are considering a brick and mortar location. So we travel with the festival. We get an opportunity to test our business in different markets.
What's some of the main dishes?
Some of the main dishes are, we do our Walkaroni and Cheese, which is our Japanese version of a takoyaki, a street food item, which is very popular in Japanese cooking. We also do our Asian sticky ribs, very popular. We do Korean corn dogs, and we also do red velvet cake egg rolls.
So you have several items on the menu. Looks like one of the main ones. What did you start off with?
We started off with our Walkaroni and Cheese, our inside-out egg roll, and just shrimp fried rice.
Okay.
Kept it simple.
What's your setup right here?
We have 2 wok burners that we cook high-pressure woks. They get hot. And then we have 2 fryers. We have 2 woks, 2 fryers, a fry station. We have our Expo line, number 6, and we have our wok line.
This is my first time seeing one of those wok burners. I've been on plenty trucks. I ain't never seen one of those. Do the event out of your days as we start off?
Oh, they start at like 6 o'clock in the morning. When we come out to the festival, we come out, we get ready at 6 o'clock. Festival starts at 1, so the team comes in around like 10. So it's an all-day process.
What time y'all be pulling out?
The festival closes at 7, so we normally leave around 8:30. We have to make sure everything is clean before we leave. So we reset for the next day. We stop before we leave. So, you know, we like to give our customers a great experience.
So, what was the experience for you starting off with the food truck until now? Like, do you have any hurdles starting off with this?
A lot of them. The biggest hurdle that I've had is sometimes it's just overall knowledge of how to do things. You know, whether it be financing, because I'm self-financed. I work my butt off. I pay for everything out of pocket. But knowing what I know now, there is a lot of resources for us out there, but you're not a part of certain circles to understand where the resources are. So I do have an ebook of how to start a food truck as well. You know, if you go to our website, you can find that.
What's the website?
It's called wok-lobster.net. And it's another way for me to be able to help other entrepreneurs who want to get started in the food truck business. They don't have the same hurdles that I had with like financing, because you're in a position where you want to grow your business and you can't necessarily grow it because you don't have the funds. So it's different ways to be able to get that.
Number 8.
Anything you want to leave them with?
Number 8.
Eric, we want to say thank you. You guys came out. Y'all showed us a lot of love this weekend. Make sure y'all follow us on all social media at The Wok Lobster. And the website is thewoklobster.net. I'm Lakeisha, your favorite food truck owner, and this is the team.
Leave it.